Despite the government's declared zero tolerance for terrorists, they seem to be intensifying their violent activities in Peshawar. Pakistani police say a bomb blast on Monday killed 3 people in the city, a day after another one killed 13 in a crowded market. In the wake of terrible explosions, situation has been tense across the country in general and in Peshawar in particular, as it is more vulnerable than any other city of the country.
Our business are destroyed. Every day blast have terrorized people. No one can go out for the fear of life.
Things are so bad that no one can take a sigh of relief. We are so terrorized that we can't go out even in emergencies. There was a bomb blast near my own house too.
We, the student community, feel that the militants are destroying our culture and our country. That is making all of us tense. I have just come out to buy my books, but I don't know whether I will reach home safely or not.
Anxiety is easy to notice everywhere.
Religious people have got together and they have considered that number one, these people have no right to attack the state of Pakistan, which is an Islamic state, which is the only nuclear state. And these people are probably following somebody's agenda in destabilizing Pakistan.
Frequent blasts have added to the misery of the residents of this militancy-hit city. In the worst attack on the city in 2 years, 118 people, most of them women and children, were killed in a crowded market area on October 28th. And as these attacks have shown no sign of abating, there seems to be no end in sight to fear of the people here. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.